I'm that bitch. Real hot. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive, I don't shop on Instagram.
What's up, YouTube? It's me, Sincerely Bri. If you're new here, welcome. This is where you get the realest reviews and reactions. I do makeup for fun, and fashion is definitely a passion here. If that's something you're down with, definitely hit that subscribe button and watch me be just me, because that's all I can be, Sincerely Bri. Now let's jump right into the video. I'm going to be setting up my very own DIY photo shoot set. This will be my first time, so for the sake of the photo shoot, I went ahead and bought the Bayang backdrop stand and 2 backdrops that I like off of Amazon. All the info will be left in the description box down below. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I didn't even look at the specs of the backdrops, and I feel like matching that in the actual stand, it would have looked way better, but you know, it's a learning process. So the stand actually didn't come with instructions, and it was actually pretty self-explanatory. So if you have common sense, I'm pretty sure it'll be easy to put up. Like, it was really easy to put up. And honestly, if you want to be cheap, you could just use tape and tape it to the wall, or like some thumbtacks and just tape your backdrop or like a sheet to the wall, and you can do that instead. Also, make sure you try to cover the stand legs as much as possible with the backdrop. You don't want that to be shown when you're taking pictures. I learned that the hard way. So at this point of the video, I kind of realized that you would be you would see the floor, the carpet. So I just used the other backdrop that I had and decided to use that as like, you know, like a little floor pad, because the green backdrop wasn't long enough to reach all the way to the floor. So I just decided to use the brown and make that look like a little dirt, and I made it do what it do. Alrighty guys, that is how I set up my birthday DIY photo shoot. Comment below which outfit was your favorite. Excuse me. Comment below which outfit was your favorite out of the 3. I just recently hit 600 subscribers, so I would also appreciate if you guys comment what kind of content y'all want to see from me next. And also, we need a community name. We need a community name. We need a freaking community name. I'm sick and tired of saying it. Guys, help me help y'all. Stop calling y'all y'all. Okay, so think on that as well. So yeah.